For this week's sketchbook assignment, you have two choices. Either you can use the dictionary page I provided for you, or you can use the vintage book pages. I'm going to outline the two different options and also give you a little background about the artist Tom Phillips, who has an ongoing project called A Humument, which is an altered book that he has been working on since 1966, when he obtained an 1892 Victorian book called A Human Document. He has been painting, drawing, cutting, and collaging this book for the past 54 years. If you're interested in looking at the entire book and reading more about his project, you can find a link to Tom Phillips's website in the description in this video. Inspired by Tom Phillips' work, your two options are to take a vintage dictionary page that I have provided for you and to find one word that you emphasize visually to create an illustration, collage, drawing, or painting, any work of art done directly on the dictionary page, which will be added to your sketchbook. Use the word as a starting point, or create a descriptive work of art. You can see some examples here from the students in the past semesters. Your second option is to create blackout poetry, meaning that you will look through the text on the pages I have given you and search out words, phrases, sentences, create some new meaning from old text. You've seen some examples from A Humument, and here are some examples from students in the past semesters. This has long been one of my students' favorite pages, so I hope you enjoy working this way as well. I look forward to seeing your finished pages in the Dropbox.